Are these games all together?
No,
It's
we
just...
sold them separately.
Okay. Let's see what's in here.
Little table is 50 cents.
Okay, thank you.
How much are they?
Let me ask her. He said $1.
Okay. Thank you. Here, I'll get a few of them then.
No, le compré uno para negros para la escuela el otro año. Los puso, ahí los tiene. Que son mayores también.
This is Columbia,
Yeah.
and then these are all Carhartt 2XL t-shirts.
Okay.
So let's see how much those are. And I found a pair. These are 50 cents. These are Vineyard Vines.
Okay. Do you know how much these are?
Let me ask him. This is $2. Let me ask him. I know this one is $2. And
Okay.
this one he was selling it for 10.
10? Okay. Hey, honey. So these are 2, or you don't know about these?
No,
This
I
front
just
one's
like,
2.
This one is
This is
$2.
10.
Okay, yeah, we'll probably pass on that. Okay,
This one is $2.
this one's 2.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we can do that. These are a little more worn on the neck, so. It's a linen shirt, size extra large. So did we decide on these?
She's
Okay.
still finding out.
Oh, and I need to find out about this Victoria's Secret bag.
That's $2 too.
This or this?
This.
Okay, what about this?
Let me ask.
Okay.
He said those $5 each.
Okay, we'll pass on those. Did you find out about this?
Let me ask. She said 5.
5 on this? Okay.
So, 1, 2,
Yeah, we'll give this one a shot. So what does that bring us up to? That was 5.
Is that 5?
Yeah.
$11.50.
Okay. There you go. It was $11.50. Thank you. We made it work. Have a good garage sale.
Thank you very much. You have a nice day.
Oh. 40.
Looks like it works. It doesn't look messed up. But I mean, I don't know. I mean, yeah, if you could get it cheap enough. There's a costume on it. I don't know how much it is. You get his attention.
I'd say no more than 5.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's ask them. How much for these, this, and this?
Alright, so this one is 8.
Okay.
8?
If you take that one right there, it would be $2, so 10.
Okay.
Do you want to?
Probably just 2.
It does work on this one.
Okay.
No, it's practice.
So you just plug it in now.
I would say
This guy.
just the.
Just this? Alright.
You want to take it for 5?
Oh, we'll take it for 5.
Alright.
Okay.
Do you want this?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good sale.
Yeah, thank you.
It's cool.
Not gonna sell when we have no guarantee of it working. So
Yeah, I
it was
know.
really too much based
I
on
hate
the-
buying stuff like that because you never know if it's going to work or not. I mean, we can try and plug it in and see if we can get some sound out of it or something.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how, but I'll see what I can do.
Este, por favor.
What about it?
With your camera.
Oh. Yeah, those are nice. Some polo loafers.
Yeah.
Ouch.
I'm gonna look that up.
Premium
That's
espresso
brand new.
cup. Some Star Wars pancake molds.
Find out how much they were.
Alright.
You ready?
Yes, these two.
Okay. Joca, ¿este es tuyo?
Sí.
¿Cuánto? Okay, $1 and 3, that's 4.
Okay, that'll do.
You got it?
Yep.
Alright.
Both the same.
They're both the same?
The same, yeah.
Okay.
This for water.
Okay.
I know you understand what you say, yeah.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
no problem.
Hold that for me for a second.
Yes, ma'am. Water cup. Oh, sprinkler.
¿Y cuánto la tele esta?
Oh, emergency water shower.
Yeah.
There's no key. Look, without the middle one, it's
Yeah, I don't keep it. Did you see you?
like there's the key that actually. because I already saw that earlier.
What about that? Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, if it's cheaper. This seems new, sealed.
Hi. Yes, Andale.
How much is this? Hold these and let me scan them. How much is this? $20? Okay.
And then, did you?
And then how much for the bottles?
How many you got?
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Give me $5 for everything.
Okay.
25 for everything.
That sounds good. You get a bag.
Let's just lay it down.
Whoa. Thanks.